Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to do a coolant change on this Peugeot 107. The same procedure is gonna be on a Citroen C1 and Toyota Aygo. They all will have a 1 liter gasoline engine. So let's get started. As you can see, I already have the front of the car lifted. And let me show you first the location of the thermostat. You're gonna find two 10mm bolts holding it. So if you want to change the thermostat, you'll have to remove the valve cover. And obviously you're gonna need a valve cover gasket as well. You can see it better from here. So that's the main pipe which connects to the thermostat. And next to it, we've got the coolant temperature sensor. This harness right here goes to the connector. Now there are 2 points through which you can drain the coolant. We've got a drain bolt next to the water pump and the hose which goes to the radiator. You'll have to open both of them in order to remove all the coolant from the engine. So first I will remove the drain bolt, but before that I'm not going to open this cap because the air will flow and the coolant will come out in a big amount. So under here you're gonna find the oil pan, easy to spot. And up here we've got the water pump rotor. Also under here we've got the drain bolt for the coolant, this rusty one. Then on the bottom of the radiator we've got only one hose. We gotta remove this and drain the coolant from the radiator as well. So basically this one will drain the coolant from the engine, and through this point we drain the coolant from the radiator. You're gonna need a 14mm and an extension. The bolt is loosened. From this point we can have prepared the container. Okay, so I can already feel the coolant coming out. Now I have to remove the cap. Now on the drain bolt, make sure you've got this copper gasket, and on your hands make sure that you do not have coolant for a long time. You want to clean it as fast as possible. A couple of minutes is okay, but you don't want it longer. So let's put back the drain bolt. Now let's go to the radiator hose. All right. Now all of it is out. Let's reconnect the hose. Alright, now the car is back on a flat surface and we can begin to add the coolant. The main point to which you can add the coolant is this cap. This one is for the reservoir or expansion tank. You're gonna need around 4 liters of coolant. Alright, so the engine was running for a while. Everything looks good. There is no warning light on the dashboard. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you have this car with this 1 liter gasoline engine, go ahead and check out the playlist. I've got a couple of more videos about it. And until next time, take care and I will see you in the next video.